Hello viewers, how are you? So today we have Samsung A06 and basically it's a water damaged. So we're gonna open it and we're gonna see what are the problems and we'll try to fix them. So at first we're gonna heat it up with a screenrepair machine, or you can also use a hot air gun. Then we will use a blade to lift the back cover up, and then we'll insert our opener and slowly we'll open it, and you can see it's very easy and easily it's coming off. And here we go, already about to open the back shell, and here you can see still there is some water. But I don't know how long the phone was in water and how badly the water damaged the phone. Let's open the screws. So after opening we will see. Just let's open all the screws. Alright, we are finished with the screws. Now we'll remove the SIM tray, and then we'll use our opener to remove the body. Yeah, and be careful with the fingerprint flex. Make sure you won't damage it. So now at first we're gonna disconnect the fingerprint flex, and here I can see there is a lot of water marks here next to the battery connector near the BBS lines. Let's open the display connectors, and on the display connectors there is no sign of water damage, but here on the front camera side there is sign of water damage. When on the back camera, as you can see here, let me just zoom in so that you guys can see. So what we're gonna do at first, we'll remove the motherboard from the phone. Then the first process will be we'll clean it with a cleaner liquid. Then we're gonna leave it on screensaver and we're gonna just heat it up for 5 to 8 minutes on 85 degrees Celsius, and you can see the water damages or watermarks. So we're gonna open the charging jack as well to check if there is any sign of water damage. So anyway, we're gonna clean both motherboard and charging unit. So here you can see I'm applying the liquid, then I will clean it with a normal brush, and I'll try to clean those places where I can see there is visual water damage marks. And for now I'm not gonna open the shields at first. Normally I'm gonna just clean it from outside where I can see there is water damage marks. After that we'll hit the motherboard and we'll leave it for maybe 5 to 8 minutes. Then we'll try to open the phone. We'll install the motherboard on phone. We'll try to see. We'll try to see that after cleaning it comes right or not. So as you can see, I'm trying to clean it properly, and we will also clean the charging unit as well. And on the body you can see there is some watermarks, so we're gonna clean it as well. Alright, so we are done with the cleaning process. Now we're gonna check that is it coming on or not. Let me press the power button, and I can't see any Samsung logo or any vibration. Just let's check with the charger, and here you can see on the display the watt is going up, so that means the phone is functioning well, but the screen is maybe not working because of water damage. So we're gonna try with the new screen, and let's see is it coming on or not. And here you can see there is the first logo. Let's see if it goes into the second logo. That means the phone is functioning well now after cleaning. So I think maybe it's only damaged the screen. So we're going to remove the screen and we'll install another new screen for Samsung A06. And here you can see it's full of water under the screen, even on the screen. Just let's clean the water. After cleaning we'll leave it maybe for 5 to 10 minutes to get dry properly, and we'll ensure that there is no sign of water. And before we apply glue, we'll clean the sides so that it will be easy for us to apply the glue. Alright, so we are finished with applying the glue. Now we'll install the new screen. After installing the new screen, then let's connect the display connectors and the battery. Now we're gonna reinstall the charging unit and the network antenna. Alright, we're gonna put the cameras back. Okay, right, almost finished. Now let's connect the fingerprint connector, and we're gonna screw it again. So after screwing, then we will use silicone glue to stick the back with the body. Alright, so I'm almost finished with the screws. Alright, so we already put the back shell back, and now let's turn the phone on, and here is the whole screen. And you can see it's on the second logo, and here we go, and as you can see it's functioning very well.